OnePlus is like that friend who always shows up with the coolest gadgets and somehow still doesn't break the bank. Whether it's charging your phone faster than you can make coffee or squeezing pro-level performance into your pocket, they keep setting the bar higher. Well, this time, OnePlus will again blow our minds with its innovative cool stuff and new technology in its upcoming OnePlus 13. Then on the other side, we have the two lazy smartphone companies recycling the same phone for 4 years, as far as I know. The new OnePlus 13, which is going to be launched on October 31 in China. We don't know about its global launch yet, but according to sources, its global launch will be pushed to later this year or the beginning of 2025. So let's dive into the amazing specs of the OnePlus 13. Powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, this beast delivers unmatched performance. Whether you're into heavy gaming or tackling AI-driven tasks, this processor has you covered. We saw at the latest Snapdragon event in Hawaii how powerful and efficient the new chipsets are, so at launch, this phone will be the most powerful phone ever, even surpassing the iPhone 16. But that's not all. It's backed by a whopping 24 gigabytes of RAM. That's more than enough to juggle dozens of apps, handle massive files, and make multitasking smoother than ever. Most of us don't have this much RAM in our computers, but yeah, OnePlus has packed it into this thin brick. Now let's talk cameras, because OnePlus 13 is not messing around. The triple 50MP camera setup is led by the impressive Sony LYT-808 sensor. Your photos will look ultra crisp even in low light, so expect this phone to give tough competition to the likes of Apple and Samsung. And then there's the massive 6,000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard it right, 6,000 mAh. With this much battery, paired with 100 watts super-fast charging, it will easily last for 2 days for light smartphone users. To top it all off, the OnePlus 13 is IP69 rated, giving it serious protection against dust and water. So, whether you're caught in a storm or working in a tough environment, this phone can handle it all. Most flagships only offer IP68 water resistance, by the way. Of course, the display is where all the magic comes to life. The OLED screen with local refresh rate technology. I think most of you are confused about what local refresh rate is. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are watching YouTube on your phone. The upper part of the video will be at its normal video playback refresh rate, but the comments you scroll below will be lightning smooth and fast. To put it briefly, local refresh rate technology allows the smartphone to have a high refresh rate only in the part of the screen where it's necessary, while the other parts of the screen remain at a normal refresh rate. I mean, this is called innovation, and only OnePlus is doing it. Let me remind you that the OnePlus 7 Pro was the first smartphone to give a 90 Hz refresh rate. So, when do you think Apple will adopt this technology? Well, I think it's not possible until the end of this decade. On the software side, the phone will come with an updated version of ColorOS, while the global version will definitely get OxygenOS. So, what do you think about the OnePlus 13? Are you waiting for it or not? Tell me in the comments section, and please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and leaks in the tech world.